How to allow Facebook access to photos. Now, in order for you to allow your Facebook to access the photos or your gallery on specific, all you have to do is to go to your settings right here and scroll down until you find apps. You just have to tap on that and click on apps again. Now you just have to search for your Facebook app right here and click on permissions. Once you're on your app permissions, just have to search for photos and videos, which is right here. And make sure that you allow limited access or always allow all on your permissions of photos and videos for your Facebook. This means that whenever you upload something from your Facebook, it won't hinder your Facebook from accessing your gallery to get photos or videos to upload to your Facebook account. So that's how to allow Facebook access to photos. Hope we help.